Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Theory Case. CIRYCASE. Flexible mobile phone tripod. This is a mini selfie stick tripod for a smartphone with a wireless remote control and 360 degrees rotatable portable camera tripod for brackets. Mobile phone camera, it's compatible with the iPhone, and of course with Galaxy devices and the DSLR camera system as well, of course. Because this mobile phone is made of a thicker premium aluminum alloy and reinforced with a high-density rubber. Thanks to its excellent flexibility, we can bend it at any angle to install it effortlessly. And we can also wrap the legs around objects such as fences and posts to achieve more variety in image composition and image cropping. It's suited for all kinds of indoor and outdoor activities. The fast response and the stable connection allows us to take photos or videos on the phone up to 10 meters away, effectively avoid the vibration of our device while we press the shutter release. Just let the crucial moments of your life capture with your own hands. With the improved smartphone holder and the locking screw, the mobile phone tripod is stable enough to hold our smartphone or camera firmly in the desired position. The design with the non-slip rubber feet keeps the adjustable tripods very stable, whether on a desk or on the floor. The scope of the delivery of the selfie stick tripod includes a stable 360 degrees rotatable metal ball joint, which allows us to easily adjust the multiple shooting angles so that we can take the perfect shot. That's easy for selfies, for group photos, for adventure travel, for vlogging, for YouTube videos, podcasts, Facebook Live, FaceTime, Instagram, and live streaming. This camera tripod fits for mobile phones with a wide of 2.16 inches up to 3.38 inches. These are 5.49 to 8.59 centimeter. Hey, that means it's compatible with the iPhone 70 and the Pro Max. And the 70 devices, 16, 15, 14 family, 14, 13, 11. And of course, Samsung Galaxy S25, Ultra, S25 Plus, Xiaomi, etc. It's built with an quarter-inch thread for DSLR cameras, for sports cameras as well. The mini tripod can also be used as a tablet stand or a selfie stick. Wow. Theory Case combines style and functionality, and it's innovative with the intelligent device-specific products. Really awesome. They can be seamlessly integrated into our daily life and offer more comfort without interrupting our routine. Theory Case always by our side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel, of course. Nice device, as you can see. Thun thun.